Diagnosing and fixing bad smells from your car's AC system begins with understanding what causes them. If you notice a musty, sour, or moldy odor coming from your vehicle's air conditioning system, especially right when you first turn it on, you should know that this is one of the most common HVAC complaints among car owners. The odor usually results from microbial growth or contamination inside the system, but it can also signal mechanical or chemical issues. When your car's AC runs, warm, humid air passes over the cold evaporator coil, cooling it. This process naturally causes condensation, which drips out through a drain tube. If that moisture doesn't dry properly, it creates a damp environment ideal for mold, mildew, and bacteria, all of which can produce unpleasant smells. Other contributors include decomposing organic matter, such as leaves or pollen inside the intake or cabin filter housing, chemical leaks like refrigerant mixed with oil or cleaner residue, and overheated components that create burning smells. In short, the odor is the byproduct of contamination, either biological, microbes, or chemical, leaks, residues. The most common causes of AC odor can be ranked by likelihood. The first and most frequent cause is mold or mildew on the evaporator core, where moisture trapped on the cold metal fins encourages microbial growth and results in a musty or damp basement smell. The second cause is a dirty or wet cabin air filter, which can trap bacteria and dust, leading to a sour or earthy odor. The third common cause is a blocked or partially clogged condensate drain tube, which prevents water from draining properly and causes a moldy or stagnant water smell. Fourth, debris in the air intake or ducts, such as leaves, dust, or insects, can decompose and emit an organic or rotting odor. Fifth, refrigerant or chemical leaks can occur, mixing refrigerant oil with air and producing sharp or sweet chemical odors. Finally, an electrical or heater core issue can lead to burning wiring or a coolant leak from the heater core, which may smell like burning plastic or maple syrup. Diagnosing the issue can often be done safely by a non-mechanic. Start with a sniff test. Turn off the AC and fan, then switch between recirculate and fresh air modes. If the odor changes, it helps locate the source, whether inside the ducts or in the intake area. Next, inspect the cabin air filter, which is usually accessible under the glove box or under the hood. Remove it and check for dirt, dampness, or mold, and replace it if it's over a year old or visibly dirty. Then, check the condensate drain by running the AC and looking under the vehicle near the passenger side firewall. You should see water dripping steadily. If not, the drain may be clogged. After that, inspect the air intake area near the windshield cowl for leaves, debris, or insect nests, removing anything you find. Finally, assess the odor type. A musty or sour smell points to microbial growth on the evaporator, or a dirty filter. A chemical or sweet smell suggests a refrigerant or coolant leak that needs professional attention. And a burning odor can indicate an electrical or heater core issue. If you smell burning, stop using the AC and have it inspected immediately. There are several possible solutions, depending on the cause and your comfort level. Quick DIY fixes safe for most users include running the fan without AC for 5 to 10 minutes before parking to help dry the evaporator, using an AC deodorizer spray, EPA approved such as Lysol disinfectant or AC-specific cleaners, through the fresh air intake while the blower runs on low, replacing the cabin air filter with a carbon-activated version to neutralize odors, and sprinkling baking soda on floor mats before vacuuming to reduce residual smells. Intermediate maintenance options include applying evaporator cleaning foam through the cabin filter housing or service port using brands such as AC Pro, CRC, or BG FrigiClean. Allowing the foam to sit and drain through the condensate tube, flushing the drain tube gently with compressed air or a flexible plastic line to clear any blockages, and sanitizing the interior air ducts with a duct cleaner mist via an ozone generator or ultrasonic fogger, ideally performed by professionals or experienced DIYers. Professional services include deep evaporator cleaning using a borescope and antimicrobial solution, refrigerant leak diagnosis using UV dye or electronic detectors, and inspection of the heater core or electrical systems if burning or sweet smells persist. Safety and preventive maintenance are essential. Avoid using bleach, ammonia, or unapproved household chemicals inside the HVAC system, as these can corrode aluminum and damage seals. Always run the AC in fresh air mode occasionally to reduce internal humidity. Replace the cabin filter every 12 months or 15,000 miles, or more often in humid or dusty conditions. After using the AC, run the fan on high for 1 to 2 minutes before shutting off the car to help dry the evaporator. Park in shaded areas when possible, as extreme heat accelerates microbial growth. Troubleshooting symptoms can help narrow down the cause. If you experience a musty smell only when the AC starts, mold on the evaporator is likely, and using AC cleaner foam or professional cleaning is recommended. A sour smell after rain indicates a wet or dirty cabin air filter, which should be replaced and the intake area cleaned. If no water drips under the car while the AC runs, the condensate drain is likely clogged and should be cleared. A sweet chemical smell points to a refrigerant or coolant leak, which requires professional inspection, while a burning or plastic odor often means an electrical short or blower issue, and the AC should not be used until a mechanic checks it. Maintaining a fresh, odor-free AC system can be done by following a simple checklist. Replace the cabin air filter annually, preferably with a carbon-activated type. Clear debris from the windshield cowl and intake area monthly. Run the fan-only mode before parking to help the system dry. Use AC disinfectant foam every 6 to 12 months in humid climates. Check that the condensate drain drips steadily while the AC is in use, and schedule professional AC service every 2 years for cleaning and refrigerant checks. In summary, most AC odors come from microbial growth on a damp evaporator or a dirty cabin filter, both of which are easy to fix with cleaning and regular maintenance. Following these steps will restore clean, fresh air from your vehicle's AC and prevent the smell from returning.